Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we explore the products that shape our daily lives. Today, we're taking a close look at the Dynamic BL001.1.T BlendPro 1T Commercial Performance Food Blender. If you're searching for a powerful blender that can handle everything from smoothies to soups, crushing ice to kneading dough, this blender promises to do it all. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's see if it measures up to your kitchen or business needs. The Dynamic BL001.1.T BlendPro 1T blender is a commercial-grade food blender designed with both performance and versatility in mind. With a substantial 50-ounce jar capacity, this blender is built to handle larger quantities in one sitting, making it ideal for both professional kitchens and home use. The size isn't the only thing that stands out. The high-speed motor offers an impressive 3 horsepower, capable of achieving up to 38,000 rotations per minute. That means this blender can crush, grind, and blend with power and precision. Whether you're preparing large batches of smoothies, sauces, or soups, or even tackling tougher tasks like kneading dough, this blender seems equipped to handle it. What truly sets this model apart, though, is its steel cutting blade, designed to deliver both durability and top-notch performance. It promises smooth, even results, whether you're blending wet or dry ingredients. And its 2-in-1 functionality provides flexibility across a variety of food prep tasks. But these features come with a catch. While it is compact, measuring at 7.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches deep and 12.75 inches high, this blender's capacity and motor suggest it's built for serious workloads. But is it as powerful as it sounds? Does it hold up in practical, everyday use? Now let's talk about real-world use. Setting up the BlendPro 1T blender was incredibly straightforward. The controls are simple, and it's intuitive to operate. No long learning curve here. The 50-ounce container is large enough to handle bulk tasks, and with its manageable size, it doesn't take up too much counter space. I put it through a variety of tests, from basic smoothies to tougher, dry ingredient tasks like grinding nuts for nut butter, and it never faltered. The blender's variable speed control is a standout feature, allowing precise adjustments to the blending speed depending on what you're preparing. Whether you're whipping up a delicate soup or crushing ice for a slushy drink, the control over the speed is a nice touch. One of the things I found most impressive was how easy it was to clean, something often overlooked in blenders of this power. The container and blades are all straightforward to disassemble, and even after blending tough ingredients like frozen fruit and tough greens, there was no lingering mess. That being said, no product is perfect. The BlendPro 1T does have some drawbacks. While it does a fantastic job at handling high-powered tasks, it can be a bit loud when running at its highest speeds. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're using it in an open kitchen or during quieter hours, it might be something to keep in mind. Another minor issue is the weight. At 7.5 inches wide, it's not overly bulky, but it's not exactly lightweight either. If you plan on moving it around a lot, it could be a bit cumbersome. Now let's talk about value for money. This blender is certainly priced on the higher end, but for what it offers, it's reasonable. When you consider the build quality, the 3 horsepower motor, and the versatility of the wet and dry applications, it delivers solid performance for its price point. However, it's important to compare this to other high-performance blenders in the market. There are blenders out there with similar horsepower and jar capacities, but they might not offer the same level of control or versatility. At this price range, this model stands out for commercial kitchens or serious home chefs who need both power and precision. When compared to other commercial-grade blenders, the BlendPro 1T holds its ground. Blenders like the Vitamix or Blendtec might be more well-known, but they come at a higher price point, and in some cases, with fewer features for dry processing. If you're looking for a solid workhorse that can handle a variety of tasks without breaking the bank, this is a great contender. Build quality on this blender feels solid, and the materials used, particularly the steel cutting blade, give it a durable, long-lasting feel. The motor housing is tough and should hold up well even under heavy use. While we don't have long-term data on this specific model, the brand's reputation in commercial kitchens suggests it's built to last. Based on the overall construction, I'd expect this blender to perform well for a long time, assuming it's used within its capabilities. As for customer support, while I didn't personally need to contact the company, it's worth noting that Dynamic has a solid reputation for supporting their commercial products. With a dedicated customer service team, it's likely you'd get help if you ran into any issues down the road. If there's one thing I didn't have to worry about with this blender, it's software updates. This is a straightforward appliance, no need for regular firmware or software updates, so you won't need to worry about keeping up with that. It's a good, reliable tool that's built for efficiency without extra digital bells and whistles. To wrap things up, the Dynamic BL001.1.T BlendPro 1T Commercial Performance Food Blender is a high-quality, versatile blender designed for heavy-duty use. Its 3-horsepower motor and 50-ounce jar make it an ideal choice for anyone who needs a powerful and efficient blender for both wet and dry tasks. It's easy to use, performs well in a variety of scenarios, and offers solid value for its price point. It's not the quietest blender on the market, and it's a bit bulky if you need to move it around a lot, but overall, it's an excellent choice for commercial kitchens or serious home chefs. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance blender, this one is worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. And if you own the product, feel free to share your experiences. Until next time, this is Reviewsinside TV, keeping you in the know.